From traditional basil pesto to wacky walnut, see why pesto is my all-time favorite spread for summer. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you step-by-step how to make a delicious, versatile kitchen condiment, pesto. Let's jump in. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While that's warming up, place 1/3 cup of Hy-Vee English walnuts on an ungreased baking sheet. Bake these until lightly toasted, which should be around 10 minutes. Then remove the sheet and set the walnuts aside to cool. Walnuts are rich in ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid, which helps the body fight inflammation. Next, it's mixing time. In a food processor or blender, combine 1 cup of packed basil leaves, 1 cup of packed spinach leaves, the walnuts, a 1/2 cup of soirée shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a 1/2 teaspoon of Hy-Vee sea salt, and a dash of red pepper flakes. Cover and pulse until chopped. Top the mixture with Gustare Vita olive oil to your desired consistency. I'm using about 1/2 cup. Then process again until thoroughly combined. Fresh herbs are an easy and healthy way to add a burst of flavor to your meals. Customize your pesto with your favorite leafy greens. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to 1 week or in the freezer for up to 1 month. I'm not sure I can wait that long, so let's dig in. This is a versatile pesto that you can use on burgers, sandwiches, or my favorite, chickpea penne pasta. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.